welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces. Today is the transformation. It is not an extremely aesthetically pleasing video. However, I wanted to plug this video in so that you understand the difference a transformation can make. This video is about a bathroom transformation. So this client of mine has had this house for a very long time and she intends to either sell the property or give it on rent. So the bathrooms, it's been more than 12 years, so the bathrooms were in a condition that they needed a little bit of makeover. What we decided to do here was to change off the tiling and the sanitary ware in the bathroom. The layout of the bathroom has been kept as it is because the wet area was separate and there was no problem with that part of it. However, just the sanitary ware needed an upgrade and also the tiles needed an upgrade. Initially, the tiles that was provided by the builder were dark, so we wanted the space to look bright and airy. So what you see here is that we've completely changed the tiles, we've changed the internal plumbing, we've provided them with new sanitary ware and plumbing accessories, and we've brightened up the bathroom. The counter basin is also new and the counter provided with a little bit of storage is also new to the space. So this is how the bathroom looked before and this is how it looks now. I hope this was an informative video. I cannot say that it is an aesthetic video because it was not about decor. It was just about showing the transformation a space can undergo. If you are looking to renovate, I also wanted to show you that we do take up civil work as well. So all of our work is not about the pretty part. It is a lot to do with the functional and the technical parts of designing. So if you're looking to do any kind of work like this, you can get in touch with us. All our details will be mentioned in the description box. I will see you in another pretty aesthetic video very soon. Till then, happy living.